Today, we are going to make a quick recipe. We are going to make jerk salmon, and we're going to make a recipe with Caribbean flavor. So we only need 4 ingredients, 4 easy ingredients. So we're going to start off with the jerk sauce. This is Walker Wood jerk sauce, a favorite of Jamaicans. However, you can use any jerk sauce that you find. You can also find the jerk sauce in Walmart in the international section. So this portion we're going to make is for two servings. However, you can double or quadruple the recipe as needed. So we're going to start off with our 1 tablespoon of jerk sauce. Okay. Then we need 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. This is important. It has to be low sodium. If you use regular soy sauce, it will be salty. And you don't want to have your dish salty. 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. We need 1 tablespoon of honey. So the honey is what is going to cut down the spice that some of you might be worried about. So 1 tablespoon of jerk. Okay, and the last ingredient is 1.5 teaspoons of olive oil. So you don't need to add any salt to this because the salt is already in the jerk sauce. We're just going to mix this up. Marinade finished. It's done. Okay, so I've washed my salmon. Need a Ziploc bag. We're going to place the salmon in the bag first before we put the marinade. Okay, and all we're gonna do is pour the marinade over the salmon. So, you have to marinate this for a minimum of 2 hours. You can marinate it overnight. Try to get the air out. Zip, and you want to turn it over because we want that marinade to get on our salmon before we put it in the fridge. There we go. It's that easy. Now that my salmon is marinated, it's time to put it in the broiler. We're going to use the broiler because this is only going to take 10 minutes to make. That's what's so nice about it. We're going to lightly spray our pan, and we're going to put our salmon in. We don't need the excess sauce of the salmon, we just need the salmon. Okay, this is going to go in the broiler. You have to put your broiler on high. That could be 500 degrees for some of you. You want to preheat your broiler for 3 minutes before so that your broiler is already at high heat. And then you will put your salmon in. Use the timer. It's important. It's got to be 8 minutes because we have to glaze this and we're going to twist it with this glaze. So please set your timer and get ready. We're going to make our salad while the salmon is in the broiler. Very quick and easy. I love this kale salad from Costco. I don't have to do much to it. But add it to a bowl. I like red onion. Add my red onion. And it comes pre-packaged. Cranberries and whatever else. Add those too. I like to add an apple. So I like the skin on, so I leave it on. So So as we all know, it's important to add a little bit of lime juice, or that apple is going to get brown and not look as appetizing in the salad. So, a little bit of lime juice. Okay. Okay. You can add walnuts if you like, or whatever else you want, or you can make your salad the way you want to. Okay. And the sauce, poppy seed dressing. Ooh, I made a mess. Wait a minute. All right. That's why I like this salad. Everything is here and it's just easy to prepare. Again, quick. You don't have to cut anything up. So. Salmon is supposed to be in for 8 minutes, and it does not take 8 minutes to mix this salad. It's a great definition of being quick. Okay, our salad is ready. So it's been 8 minutes, and it's time for me to twist the salmon. So we're going to glaze the salmon with orange marmalade, 1 tablespoon. We need ½ teaspoon of lime. That's lime, not lemon. We're gonna mix that well, because using the lime is gonna cut down on the sweetness of the orange marmalade. We wanna glaze it, but we don't want it too sweet. And we're just gonna glaze the salmon on all sides, front sides. We will not be turning the salmon over. There is no need. Just make sure that the glaze is on all sides. And I'm gonna twist it. Black sesame seeds. I learned that from the cafeteria in Gateway. They served salmon with the black sesame seeds. I loved it, so I came home and tried it. Okay, it's ready to go back in the oven. Back in the broiler for 2 minutes. Again, you have to put your timer. If you exceed 2 minutes, your salmon will be dry. Our salmon is complete, ready to eat. Just want to let you know, if you're not interested in using the jerk, you can season your salmon any way you like, or you can use Cajun spice with a touch of brown sugar. You can season that way and glaze with the orange marmalade and lime. Thank you. Hope you enjoy.